Hello, guys, and welcome to another video session. I hope you can see and hear me well. Please, if there is anybody on the stream, kindly indicate in the live comment section so that I can know if you can. So that I can. Okay, I can see with my phone from my end. So I'll be trading Nasdaq, and just give me a moment, okay? I'll As you join, let me type it. Mashallah, I'm back. Guys, sorry for keeping you waiting. I went downstairs to pick something. So, if you could recall yesterday, I do mention that the weekly open gap we have, this very weekly open gap, I'm expecting it to be filled, and we have market filled that gap completely. And that trade, we are very right with the direction. It came back and took me out at break even after we took partial at 2R, right? Market gave 3R, and then later on, the market continued moving ahead to give the complete 6.19 risk to reward ratio. So the gameplay for today is, for me, I'm expecting this daily volume imbalance level. This is very, very strong level. You can tell from the previous mitigations, multiple times price uh, had history on this very level. So I'm expecting price to move, take out previous day's high. You can see I sent the analysis on my public Telegram channel. I want to see price taking out previous high. It already took previous high. Wow. But I want to see price continue to go up, at least to tap into this volume imbalance, except if the market is not willing to do that and the market is giving us something else. So on 5 minute time frame, let me week high. Let me take it to daily. Let me take the visibility to daily only. Okay. So on 5 minute time frame, this is what we have. And yeah, yesterday somebody asked me about. Okay, I'm not sure that later. On 5 minute time frame, you can see what we have. We have market was moving sideways, and we have this low. We have this high, very, very important high. This is London's high, right? And let's start seeing what we have. We have these relative equal highs. I'm expecting price push to at least. This is very, very interesting level. And this is our 930. You can see our 930. This is our 930 candle, right? So we have our 930 right over here, and this is our 930 open. So I mentioned that these highs are very interesting level. They took out the highs. This is 928 fair value gap. So let's start observing. So this, if this candle close, this is supposed to be our first presented fair value gap. And I mentioned that we are expecting, right, high price for market to at least visit that key level from high time frame. I So let's watch the 1 minute. That is so aggressive. They are trying to kill the fair value gap so quickly, and You can see some SMT divergence, even though this is not a ripe one, and Q taking this high. SP500 refusing to take this high, and 930 favor look up. This is not the type of SMT divergence you are looking for. Okay. What do we have? A very small volume imbalance. I'm not saying this is my entry. Okay. Every day you get to observe the market, and that observation, if you are taking note of it, it will translate to experience and to new knowledge that only you by yourself will discover. One very thing I forget is to check economic calendar. And do we have any news? The news is by 2 a.m. 2 p.m. I mean, let me check. Tomorrow we have news by 12:15. Not any serious. Okay, we have NFP on Friday. Why am I seeing 12:30, 12:15? Okay. These highs were forged. These highs that I mentioned, relative equal highs, we can see have been forged. So still we do not have our first presented fair value gaps. And I cannot take this as inversion volume imbalance. No, the sell side. If I'm bullish, I love seeing sell side taken out before we start buying. But I'm still very bullish. Okay, we just have to wait to see what the market give. Okay. Not lie. So even if you are to take short from this level to this, the market do not return back to this volume imbalance. So it is still a patience game, except if maybe you broke this low. And you can see from the downside, we have bunch of sell side. We have another sell side, and I think there is even more. Perhaps returning to CQ 50 equilibrium of yesterday's range, which is a possibility as well. But I'm not engaging yet. Okay, I'm not engaging. I'm just hunting. Okay, and if you are hunting, you wait for the prey to come into the zone for you to take the shot. Walaikum assalam. TP, please. Zach test. Please, Zach test. Be careful with the trade you took, okay? I don't know if we are going to take profit or loss today. All I know is I'm going to follow my plan. If the market provide profit, and that is what we want. If the market didn't provide profit, then we chop loss. Or if the market do not even provide any setup at all, then we stay sideline. Okay. So I am not trading with the mindset of I must make money. I'm trading with the mindset that I come into the chart, I am waiting for my model, my setup to present itself. If it do,